Good morning, guys. This is day 2 of our daily vlog, and this is the place where we stay tonight. I'm gonna show you just a bit around. Let's turn the video. So this small things, small bathroom, our bed, and that's pretty it. The price was $110 per night because we booked it just right away. The last booking was cancelled because the host didn't show up. It's long story short, all is good, but it is what it is. It's called Industry Inn. It's pretty far from downtown, pretty far from Venice and Santa Monica Beach, but we booked Airbnb yesterday here in this area because it's close to place where we want to go today, and the host didn't show up, so we found the closest hotel and just booked it. So we travel for the culture, for food and everything else. And in US, of course, our breakfast starts from McDonald's. I have crazy idea. During this trip we will visit a lot of different big cities, and many of them are famous and many movies was filmed there. So we want to find some iconic movies in location. And right now we're going to one of it. It's only 9 in the morning, but it's so hot already. That's crazy. Where we are?
I'm guessing we are in the movie scene from Back to the Future.
Exactly.
I was buying something mall.
Puente Hill Mall. Yeah.
So, but in movie it was another name.
Yeah, it was another name in the movie. But this one exactly behind me, exactly same spot where they start their journey. And the first time his DeLorean go from this parking to the future. This one is exactly same spot.
Wow. Oh my god, when you said that I don't know where we are going,
yeah,
I was like, oh my god, that's probably something from Back to the Future.
And right now we're
really
here.
Nice surprise.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Hey Marty, we will send you back to the future.
We arrived to downtown LA. Now we'll just walk around. And here we are, another movie scene location. The Hotel Bristol from the Fight Club, and we're gonna go a bit closer right now. In Biltmore Hotel, the Ghostbusters location right here. Nice. The really good things that here in downtown LA you can visit all these movie scene location in walking distance. We visit already like 3 of them, I guess, and it take us maybe 40 minutes. That's awesome.
Which is great. And the last location for today is this very pretty house most of you know from your childhood.
That's from Charmed.
Yay!
And after spending all day in search of movie locations, right now we're going to the most iconic and most famous sign in the world, the Hollywood. I don't know if you can see there. We will go closer right now. When you grow up in Europe, and I'm pretty sure almost everywhere in the world, you spend a lot of time watching movies, TV shows, series, and you knew that most of them was filmed in Hollywood. So see this sign, see this place, it was like small childhood dream. Just for curiosity, I opened a Zillow website, it's real estate website, and I checked the price for these houses, and it's starting from $1 million and more. And when you go higher and higher, the prices go higher and higher as well. And on the top there is some buildings which is cost $18 million. That's crazy. So it's right there, but we still have to go about 700 meters higher.
But we're almost there.
Yes. All right, we finally made it. It's right there. And now we can officially say that our vlog produced it and filmed it in Hollywood.
Right here.
And the sign view is really amazing, but those sky and clouds, wow, that's perfect.
Yeah, sunset in Hollywood is something special.
I think this is our last stop for today, the Walk of Fame.
And the first star will love both Avril Lavigne.
It's right here.
Let's go see what else we have here. Here, hold on. Yes!
It says walk or die. Today is literally we are 32,000 steps, 25 kilometers almost. Okay guys, the movie is over for today. See you tomorrow in a day 3.
Good night.